Hello, third grade. How are you? Our lesson today will be completing to our previous lesson, which is multiplication with regrouping. Now you will find this on your textbook, page 127. Okay. So the first question, we will do some exercises on multiplication with regrouping. Okay, and I think that you are familiar with this kind of multiplication. Okay, the question is find the product. Again, what's the meaning of the product? The product means multiply. Okay. So what's the meaning of product? That you have to multiply these these numbers. Okay, so multiplying the product or the multiple of 56 and number 2. Okay, as usual, I need to write 56 in the top because even if you write 56 on down, it's going to be the same answer. Okay. So, but I prefer to write the biggest number in the top than the smallest number. That will make our multiplication easier. I will write the first answer. You have to multiply the ones with the ones place. Ones and with the ones, and you write it on the ones place. Okay, so the answer is going to be under them on the ones place. 6 times 2 equal 12. So 12 means 12 ones means 12 ones means I have 110. 110, I have to carry it with the tens, and I have 2. So I write the 2 down and the 12, the one on the tens place. Okay, I regroup it with the tens place. Okay, be careful. Be careful. It's not like the addition. Look carefully for the next step. I'm going to write the answer. I want to multiply 2 times 5. 2 times 5, and write the answer on the tens place. Okay, so this is the tens place. And this is the ones place. Okay, imagine that this is not here now. We imagine that it's not here, then 2 times 5 equal 10. So 2 times 5, it's 10. And now I have the answer equal 10, right? So the 10, I now add it to the 1. Okay, so I add the answer or the 1 to the answer of the multiplication. Okay, so 1 plus 10 equal 11. So I write over here 11 10. What's the meaning of 11 tens? 11 tens mean 100 and 110. Okay, this is the 11 over here. I write it 11 because I don't have a next place to write. Okay, so again, focus. We multiply first, then we add the answer to the one on the top. Okay, 2 times 5 equal 10. Then we add the answer of the multiplication to the number in the top. This is the first exercise. This is on in your book. Okay, first grade. I will do some more exercises so you can understand the idea or the concept. Okay, I have 17 times 4. I have 17 times 4. 17 times 4. I will erase the exercise over here. 17 times 4. I will write the biggest number in the top. Okay, I will start with multiplying the ones place. 4 times 7. 4 times 7. Who can answer? 4 times 7 equal? Excellent. It's a 28. 28. So the 8, it's going to be on the ones place. And the 20, we regroup it with the tens place. Bravo. Now we need to multiply it with the tens place and write the answer on the tens place. Remember. Okay, 4 times 1. 4 times 1 equal 4. Now I have 4 over here. Then I add it to the 2. Plus 2 equal 6. So I have the answer as 68. 68. Okay, so this is try this. Okay, this is in your try this on page 128. This is exercise 28, page 28. It's on try this. Please write it down on your book. Okay, write it down on your book. I will do on your own. On your own, it's again on page 128. I will erase this exercise and I will answer all the exercises on your book on your own, page 128. Okay, so I will write it on your own 128. Okay, this is page 128. I will do the next exercise. I can explain it more. The first one, it's 16 times 5. I have 16 times 5. Okay, let's do the exercise. We multiply the ones placed first. I have 5 times 6. 5 times 6. Okay, 5 times 6. 5 times 6 equals 30. 30, I write 0 on the ones place and the 3 in top of the ones place, of the tens place, okay? Then I need to multiply 5 times 1. 5 times 1. Again, I imagine that there is no number on the top. I multiply 5 times 1 equal 5. Then add the answer to the number on the top that we regroup it. So 5 times 1 equal 5 plus 3 equal 8. So I write the answer 80 over here, 80. Okay, 5 times 1 equal 5 plus 3 equal 80. 8. So the answer is 80, okay? So this is A. B, it's 18 times 7. 18 times 7, this is A. This is B. It's 18 times 7. 18 times 7. I have to multiply the ones place first. The ones place and the tens place. Okay, so 7 times 8 equal 56. 56. So I write the 6 because it's 56. So the 6 on the ones place and the 50 on top of the tens place. I regroup it. Okay, I regroup it with the tens place. I regroup the tens, that extra tens from the ones place with the tens that I have. Okay, now I multiply 7 times 1. 7 times 1 equals 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 equal 12. I don't have extra places, so I write the whole 12 down. It's 126. This is the answer B for the question number 1, okay? I will answer question number 2. I answer question number 2 now. Question number 2, which is find the product of each of the following, 29 and 3. So A, and I have B. The first one is 29 and 3. This is 29 times 3. And the second one is 19 and 8. The first one, it's the ones place. 3 times 9 equal 27. The 7 here on the ones place, let me write it in red again. The 7 here, and I carry or regroup the 20 on top of the tens place, okay? I have 3 times 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 plus 2 equal 8. So I write 8 on the tens place. Okay, I have 87 is the answer. 87 is the answer. Now, I have 19 times 8. I will write the ones place first. 8 times 9 equals 72. 72. So I write number 2 down here and the 70 in top of the tens place. I regroup it with the tens place. I have 8 times 1 equal 8. 8 times 1 equal 8. Then I add it to the 7, which is 8 plus 7 equal 15. I write here 15. It's 152. 152. This is the answer for question number 2. We will do number 3 and number 4. Okay? This is number 2. Let's do number 3. Number 3. Number 3, I will read the exercise. Ali borrows 6 books from the library every month. Every month, he borrow 6 books. Okay, how many boxes will be or will he borrow all together in 2 years? Okay, all together in 2 years. First, you have to find how many did he borrow in 1 year. So in 2 years, the question they want us to know in 2 years. But he said that Ali borrows 6 books every month. So the thing that I have 6 books every month. Okay, 6 books in every month. Okay, so if I have 6 books every month, they need in 2 years. We know that each year have 12, so 1 year have a 12 month, right? And in each one of them you borrow 6, okay, 6 books. So I need 2 years. I need 2 years. 2 years, that means I need to double it. Okay, this is the question. The first question, we need to know how many months in 2 years. Okay, we need to double it. It's 2 times 12. We need to double the number. If I double it, I can write here, double the 2, it's 4, and double the 1, it's 20. Okay, so I have 20 months in all. So I know that I have in 2 years, I have 24 months, because all of us know that in 1 year, I have 12 months, okay, 12 months. How about 2 years? In 2 years, I have double of them, because I have 1 year and 1 year. I mean 12 and 12, okay? So 12 plus 12, or double the 12, I have 24 months in 2 years. So I have 24 months in 2 years. Now I know that in each month, I have 6 books. How many in 24 months? It's a multiplication, because I have to repeat the 6, how many times? 24 times, as many as I have months. Because in each month, she borrows 6. In 24, so I have to repeat the 6, 24. I multiply these two numbers together. I write the biggest number from the top, as usual, 24, and I have 6 over here, and then I multiply them, okay? Let's start with the ones place, as usual. 6 times 4, 6 times 4 equal 24. This is 20, and this is the 4 in the ones place, okay? 24. Then I multiply 6 times 2. 6 times 2 equal 12. 12 plus 12. When I multiply these together, I multiply them together. Then I add the answer to the number on top. We have 12 plus 2 equal 14. So it's 144 book for the 2 years. For 2 years. Okay, for 2 years. So she borrowed about 144 book for these 2 years, because we double the 1 year, which is 12 to 24 year, 24 month. Okay. Now I want to answer number 3. Please answer all these exercises on your book. Write the answers on your book. Okay. If you want to write this explanation, you can write it. Stop the video and write it on your notebook, and you can do that also. Okay. Number 4. Let's do number 4. I have number 4. I need to read the question again. Mrs. Chu bought 7 tickets to a concert. Each ticket cost 68. How much did she spend all together? So she bought about 7 tickets. She bought 7 tickets. So she has 7 tickets. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yes. Tickets. She bought about 7 tickets. Each one of them, it cost how much? $68 for each one of them, right? So for each one. So I have 168. How many for 7? So I have to repeat this 68 how many times? 7 times. So I multiply it. So I have to repeat it. So I have to multiply it. 68 times 7, okay? 68, how many each one costs? And if I have 1, it's 68. But if I had 7, I have to repeat this 68 7 times. Let me repeat it. Let's do the multiplication. I have the ones with the ones. Yes, 7 times 8 equal 56. This is the 6, and this is the 50 on the tens place. I have 7 times 6. 7 times 6 equal 42. Plus 5, 42. and we have to add it with this plus 5, it's 47. So the answer is 47. The answer is 47. This is the answer for question number 4. So this is our video for today. It's multiplication with regrouping. I will send you some more homework so you can do it at home. It's on, I think it's on a worksheet. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.